Thanks for watching the video, and here is the so if you're new, just subscribe and like the video because more updates about our WhatsApp and more features about WhatsApp will be coming right here on this platform. Also, if you want to know more about these WhatsApp features, just check in the comment section of the description of the video. I have videos that can really give you more insights about some features on our WhatsApp. So WhatsApp really think about your privacy, So this new feature is all about preventing someone from taking a screenshot of your WhatsApp profile picture. So let me just give you an example. Okay, so you can see I have this picture right here. Okay, and then I just want to take a picture, a screenshot. Okay, a screenshot of your profile picture. Okay, so when I just open the picture, okay, and then I just swipe, or let me just try it with the screenshot. Okay, and then show you something with my three hands. That's how I take my screenshot. Okay, and then let me take it, and you can see at the top of it, couldn't capture screenshot. Okay, taking screenshots isn't allowed by the app or your organization. So now if someone change his or her profile picture, you cannot take a screenshot of it. You cannot take a screenshot of someone's profile picture. So there is another update, privacy update on WhatsApp. And most people are saying, or people complain that if you use WhatsApp GB, if you use FM WhatsApp, your WhatsApp, it is better. But mostly WhatsApp will tell you to stop using that app because of these privacy issues. Okay, so they always try to lock your account. You will not be able to sometimes get access unless you use the original WhatsApp. So I'm still trying to know how you can just move all your chat from the WhatsApp GB, FM WhatsApp, you WhatsApp, okay, from that place to the official WhatsApp, so that all your chats right there will be able to you'll be seeing everything whilst you switch from the FM or you WhatsApp to that one. So I'm still trying. If anything, I'll let you know. So just subscribe and like the video, and then check in the comment section, check on the screen for videos on some of the WhatsApp features that you can just use. Okay, voice notes, a lot. So just check in the comment section and then enjoy more. Stay alive and bye for now.